GR-203 Ornamental Seams Sewing Machine. Suitable for decorating sideline sewing of sports shoes, leather shoes, and thick leather. This machine produces a chain stitch and is easy and convenient to operate. All components of this machine are manufactured using genuine American-made Haas CNC machine tools, ensuring high precision. Equipped with an electronically controlled, variable speed motor, allowing for flexible speed adjustment. The needle stop position is controlled by a computer.